Assalamu alaikum. This is Discrete Homotopy lecture series. So today we will see some definitions, lemmas. Okay. So first of all, we will read the definition 4.6. So in definition 4.6, let's say we have a map. This is graph map. Okay. P is a graph map from Y to X according to the definition of graph map. I did explain in previous videos and discrete homotopy theory lecture series. So a graph map P, Y to X and Y also a graph and X is also a graph is a local isomorphism. Okay. So they are saying P is a graph map from Y to X is local isomorphism if it satisfies any equivalent conditions in lemma 4.5. Okay. So let's see the lemma 4.5. What is the statement of lemma 4.5? Then we will aware about local isomorphism. So let's see the lemma 4.5. What is the lemma? This is the lemma 4.5. If any of one condition satisfy a map, so we can say the map P from Y to X is local isomorphism. Okay. So let's read the lemma 4.5. Let P be a graph map from Y to X be a graph map. The following are equivalents. So first condition, P has a unique right lifting property against this map for all n belongs to natural number. Okay, so let's see this. So we have a graph map Y to X is P and right lifting property. P has unique right lifting property against this map. So what type of this map? From I0 to In for all n belongs to natural number. Okay. So we have a right lifting property against P against this zero map. Okay. There is a right lifting property against a zero map. So there exists a unique lift. Let's say H. So compute this diagram. So we can say P is a local isomorphism. How can we? Means H compose P is equal to V. And if we if we commute upper triangle, let's say first of all compose with H is equal to U. If these conditions hold and outer square also should be commute, means V compose U is equal to U compose P. P compose U. Outer square should be commute, upper triangle should be commute, lower triangle should be commute, and this H map should be unique. So we can say P is local isomorphism according to the first statement. Okay, let's read second statement and explain. Let's read second statement. Second statement is related to first statement. P is unique right lifting property against the map I0 to I1. Okay, for n is equal to 1. Okay, this is similar to previous statement. For n is equal to 1, this is U map, this is V map. There exists a unique right lifting property. There is a unique left, and this is zero map. So we can say P is local isomorphism if P has unique right lifting property against this map. Okay, this is graph map from I0 to I1. Okay, so let's read third statement of this lemma. So P has unique right lifting property against this map and this map. Means P is a graph map from Y to P is a graph map from Y to X and there is a unique there is a right-lifting property against these maps I0 to I1 and I2 to I1, I2 to I1. Okay, so I think we should write I0 and I1 and I2 I1. So this is right lifting property against this map. If P has a right lifting property against this map, this is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 0 map, and this is 0 map. If P has right lifting property against these and these map, so we can call it P is locally isomorphism. Okay, so let's read the last statement of lemma 4.5. So we aware about the local isomorphism definition in discrete homotopy theory. Okay, so according to the fourth statement, for every vertex y, means we have a graph map from y to x, which is P is local isomorphism for all y belongs to y. Okay. The restriction map, what is the restriction map? P, if we restrict the domain and y, this is the subgraph from ny to npy is isomorphism for all y. This condition holds for all y, and this restricted map is isomorphism. So we can say P is locally isomorphism. Okay. According to the definition 4.6, P is a graph map from y to x is local isomorphism if one of the any following condition should be hold. P has right lifting property against this map, against this map, against these and this map with together, and for all y, the restriction map should be isomorphism. So we can say P is locally isomorphism. Okay, let's end this video. Allah Hafiz.